Hey, how are you? Are you the owner of the vehicle?
It's my girlfriend. She's on the title and everything.
Okay, can you call her?
Yeah.
Okay, can she text you a picture of her driver's license?
Yes.
Okay, the car is unlocked?
No.
Okay. Alright, so I got the lockout. I'm gonna decode it real quick. Alright, just finished cutting the key. So goes into the lock, it turns. I'm gonna put the lock back in the car, put my fancy keychain on here. Gonna do all keys lost, and that's it. Alright, there you go, man. That's your new key.